how to turn on ghost mode on TikTok. So if you want to turn on your ghost mode on your TikTok, then what you need to do is first, you just need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your TikTok application. Now, after opening your TikTok, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection and make sure that you have logged into your account. Now, you need to go with your profile, which will be on the bottom, and then go with the upper right, which has that three horizontal lines. From here, you need to just simply go with settings and privacy. And from your settings and privacy, you'll find an option of interactions. You need to go with the interaction section, and from the interactions you need to tap on viewers. Once done, you'll see the profile view history toggle, but if you don't find it, as you can see on the top, it says profile view history and post view history are now combined into one viewer history setting. So tap to switch it off. From here, TikTok will show a prompt letting you know that turning this off means you also lose the ability to see who visited your profile. So just simply go and turn it off. After this, you can go back to your home screen and use TikTok as normal. Your profile visits are now completely hidden from everyone. That's it. That's how you can turn on your ghost mode. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.